This video focuses on standard A REI B3, solve linear equations and inequalities in one variable, including equations with coefficients represented by letters. This video will go over solving two-step inequalities. When solving, we're going to identify the variable and notice which side of the equal sign it is on, but in this case it will be an inequality symbol, not an equal sign. We'll undo the number further from the x, but on the same side of the equal sign using inverse operations, and then we'll undo the remaining number using inverse operations. So it is the same steps as solving a two-step equation, but now it's a two-step inequality. The main difference is the rule with the stars. If you multiply or divide by a negative, the sign or the symbol flips. Here's our first example. 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 11. The x is on the left side of the symbol, so we're going to be looking at the left side first. The number further from the x is the 1. So to cancel out adding 1, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. These cancel out, and we're left with 2x is greater than or equal to 10. Next, I will be canceling the 2. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we will divide both sides by 2. That will leave us with x is greater than or equal to 5. Since x can equal 5, we're going to do a filled-in circle at 5. And I want every number greater than 5 or bigger than 5. So I'm going to draw an arrow that goes off to the right. Next example, x is on the left side of the symbol, so we're cleaning up this left side. The number further from the x is the 5, so to undo subtraction, we're going to add 5 to both sides. These cancel out. We have negative 3x is less than 12. Next, we need to cancel out our multiplication. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 3. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. Since we divided by a negative, that symbol needs to flip. So now we will have x is greater than negative 4. Since it is simply greater and not equal to negative 4, we're going to do an open circle at negative 4. And the arrow will point to all the numbers greater than or bigger than negative 4. So the arrow will go off to the right. This is the end of the video. You can now move on and complete your practice.